This is an important message brought to you by the United Galaxy Space Force. Please stand by. This is an important message brought to you by the United Galaxy Space Force. Please stand by. This is an important message brought to you by the United Galaxy Space Force. Please stand by. This is an important message brought to you by the United Galaxy Space Force. Please. As you may know, in 2275, aliens were detected in the direction of Betelgeuse. In the following year, they were confirmed to be live extraterrestrials. The Yuctabanians were the first to detect and theorize them. Earlier today, September 15, 2279, life forms from another galaxy entered our solar system. These life forms have been confirmed to be aliens, and have been given the name extraterrestrial intelligence, or simply, ETI. The reason for their arrival is unknown, but these aliens seem to be extremely hostile. We have reason to believe that they have come to attack us and take our planet. During the first stage of contact, we attempted to interact with intelligent life by sending warp communications and warp transfer capsules with the goal of sending a message employing every possible language, image, and pattern. But the results were poor, as we received no response or signals of life. All of the capsules were either ignored or destroyed, demonstrating reactions akin to rejection. From this, we have determined that the ETI possess hostile intent and we are under attack. But please, do not panic. We are already preparing a defense operation known as Operation Destroy Aliens to counter this threat. Rather than engaging the aliens in region, an assault vector will be issued from afar, leading to humanity's first sublight rear interception strategy. We will be using 6 reusable launch vehicles from Earth's Kimona Islands Space Center. The following will be launched sequentially into geostationary orbit. RLV-A, Galaxy Alpha. RLV-B, Assault Launch Booster Alpha. RLV-C, Galaxy Beta. RLV-D, Assault Launch Booster Beta. RLV-E, Galaxy Gamma. And RLV-F, Assault Launch Booster Gamma. The Galaxips will be piloted by our brave UGSF soldiers. Fabian Yeager, George Isastori, and Haruito Sato. May God protect them all. The GFXT-001 Galaxian ship, known as the Galaxy, is our special prototype spacefighter created for Operation Destroy Aliens with the help of Terrorzi Heavy Industries. The spacecraft uses parts of Weems, allowing propulsion, maneuvering and offensives. It is equipped with a high-pressure cannon, a useful ward-off against the heavily armored ETI. The reason we decided to use these smaller spacecrafts is because the small size and sheer number of aliens made it impossible to employ our larger vessels of war. There are 4 types of aliens: green, red, purple, and yellow. The ETI come in groups, with the yellow alien being the lead commander of the group. We can assure you that your safety is our top priority, and we will protect you from these aliens. We at the United Galaxy Space Force will do everything possible to defend Earth and destroy these aliens. We are the Galaxians. Mission: Destroy Aliens. We now return to your regularly scheduled programming.
Model